Here's a simple and delicious recipe for making flavorful kebabs. This recipe is for chicken kebabs, but you can adapt it for other meats or even vegetables. Ingredients: 1 pound about 450 grams boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts. Cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves garlic. Minced 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 tablespoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika or regular paprika, 1 teaspoon chili powder, adjust according to your spice preference. Salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, wooden skewers, soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the yogurt, olive oil, minced garlic, grated ginger, cumin, coriander, turmeric, smoked paprika, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Mix well to form a smooth marinade. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, making sure each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours, or overnight for best results. Preheat your grill or oven to medium-high heat. Thread the marinated chicken pieces onto the soaked wooden skewers. Place the skewers on the preheated grill or in the oven. Grill the kebabs for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally, until the chicken is fully cooked and has a nice char on the edges. Optional: baste the kebabs with a mixture of olive oil and lemon juice during grilling for added flavor. Once cooked, remove the kebabs from the grill or oven. Serve the kebabs hot with your favorite sauce, chutney, or on a bed of rice or salad. Enjoy your delicious homemade kebabs. Feel free to customize the spices and marinade according to your taste preferences. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thanks for watching.